Hello and welcome to this instructional video on how to follow or unfollow casinos, games, or software providers on cheapy.com. As a member of the Cheapy community, you can easily keep track of new updates on your favorite casinos, games, and software providers using the follow and unfollow feature on the website. To start, make sure you are logged in by clicking the Login button on the top right corner of the screen and entering your Cheapy username and password. There are two ways to follow or unfollow something on Cheapy. The first is by navigating to the dedicated casino, game, or software page and clicking the Follow button. You will receive notifications via email and on-site for the chosen casino or game. To unfollow, simply click the Following button. The second way is from the Settings menu, which can be accessed by hovering over your username on the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Following section and tick the checkboxes next to the casinos, games, and providers you wish to follow. To unfollow, simply untick the checkboxes. Using the Settings page is a great option if you have a specific list of providers and operators in mind, and it also includes a search function. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us for help.